So for today's grocery haul, we spent $187.07. Hey, happy homemakers. Welcome back to my channel. Today's grocery haul is a $185 grocery haul. So first thing I have here, want to get in the freezer really quickly, is a couple of things of ice cream. We have some friends coming over, so my husband got that. We also like to keep this on hand for topping ice cream. And also sometimes I'll make the girls chocolate milk with that. But we also bought a thing of chocolate milk for them this week because they've been asking for it. This sour cream is for a chicken dish that I'm making this week. I am also making a roast this week. So I actually have the roast over here in the crock pot started already. We had that already in our freezer. So with that are the carrots, the celery, the onion. What are these green peppers for? Are the green peppers for your salad?
No, I thought maybe we throw them in the roast also.
Okay.
Something extra.
Okay, Aaron grabbed green onions because he wanted me to throw those in the roast as well. 2 different types of lettuce. He likes to mix romaine and iceberg whenever he's making salads. He's doing salads for lunch this week. You guys have probably seen that before if you've watched any of my other grocery hauls. This is our preferred method if we're like chopping salad ourselves and not getting like a bag or anything. So also got some of these bubblies. I like to drink these when I'm intermittent and extended fasting. It kind of helps me when I'm doing those fasts. I got these Italian sweet rolls for my girls. I'm going to be making some little mini chicken Parmesan sandwiches with chicken nuggets for their lunches this week. So I'll probably end up sharing that recipe with you guys. So give this video a thumbs up if you want to see that. Also got some long grain rice. We were almost out of rice and I want rice to serve the roast over. And I also like to just keep rice on hand all of the time. So coming down to this little section here, this is for the tops of the little sandwiches that I'm making my girls, the chicken parm sandwiches. But we also, again, this is another thing we like to just keep on hand that we always have. I decided that I want to start keeping pasta sauce on hand because my 4-year-old loves spaghetti and sometimes she'll just randomly beg for spaghetti for dinner. So I was like, let's start keeping a jar on hand. Instead of cooking the noodles and wasting them like I used to always do, I started taking my spaghetti noodles and just cooking only what we needed for that day and then putting the other one in an airtight container. So I have noodles on hand, and then one of these pasta sauces is also for the chicken parm sandwiches. We just needed sugar to keep on hand, so I have that there. And then this Aaron saw and grabbed for me because we could not get a giant jar of pickled okra back in Michigan. This is something we used to have all the time for snacks when we lived in the South in Louisiana. And now that we moved back to Texas, this is our first grocery trip, like full-on grocery trip to Texas. He had to grab this for me because he was like, look, we're back in the South. You can get your giant thing of pickled okra. So if you guys have never had these, they're so good. I've never tried this actual brand of pickled okra, but I'm sure it's great as well. I just like these for snacks, just like how you would eat a pickle. So I'm excited that he found those. We'll put those in the fridge for later. We got some bananas. Aaron just likes to eat them for snacks, and so do the girls. I've shared these before, but we love stuffed olives. These are the blue cheese stuffed olives. We also love the feta cheese ones and blue cheese. So it looks like you just got 2 of each. We love these so much. They're such a delicious, healthy snack to have, especially like after dinner. If you get the munchies and you like to snack after dinner like my husband does, so he really enjoys those for that reason. We also do charcuterie boards as in-home date nights, and we'll put some meats and some Triscuit crackers, and then we'll have these on the side. So this is popcorn seasoning. We were out of the ranch, so he got that. Also got a big box of popcorn, microwave popcorn, because we've been doing, where did that go? Oh, it's back here. We've been doing like the homemade kind of popcorn, air popping, just to make it a little bit healthier, but sometimes it's inconvenient. So I was like, grab another box of that to have on hand, just so if we want some. The girls have been asking for that sometime in the afternoon. I don't feel like pulling the whole thing out and making that like after they have lunch as like a snack or something. So this is also for the girls' snacks, mid-morning snack. Usually they've gotten to where they like to eat the granola bars or little kitty protein bars. Told you guys this before, but we like to always keep some mac and cheese on hand for them. Again, just for a quick add to the meal or a quick lunch or something like that for my toddlers. This is for his salads. He's going to be making himself some kind of chicken salad this week. So he got this. And then he also got a can of sweet kernel corn and a can of black beans to go in his salads as well. You guys probably saw this giant thing of chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and move that. We can put that in the freezer. That is for his lunches, as well as I am making a meal. Like, it's going to be some creamy chicken that the sour cream was going in. Green beans are going to be the side on that day. And then I'm gonna do like a baked potato as a side as well. And then some of these potatoes are gonna be for that meal. And so then the rest of them are gonna be in the roast. This is for his salads. I believe this is for his salads as well. So is this cheese. This is for the mini chicken parms that I'm making for the girls. And this is for that creamy chicken with the sour cream. Again, let me know down below if you guys want to see these recipes. I'll definitely link them in the description box, but I'll share them as well if you guys are interested in that when I make them this week. And then Aaron likes these nuts for the top of his ice cream. When he has ice cream, he likes to put the, the chocolate syrup sauce and this on it as well. String cheese. My girls love to eat these as snacks. This is something that they've been obsessed with over the last few months. And so this is a really good, nice, healthy snack. If they kind of just want something, we can just say, well, go in the fridge and grab a string cheese. So we have been enjoying doing that. Oh, he got 2 boxes of the mac and cheese. I did not realize that. Put that to the side. This is for the creamy chicken, but also to go in our roast. And then we also have some brown gravy packets to go with the roast. And there was something else. This one is for the roast. The Italian seasoning is for the roast. So all this is for the roast and then also for the cream chicken. The Parmesan is for, I believe, his salads or on top of I think he's putting these in his salads with this cheese because this cheese is for the sandwiches. So that's for his salads as well. And then this Louisiana tea has been our favorite lately. We were doing Great Value in Lambton for years and years and years. And then this past year, we just started using this. And for some reason, we just like the flavor of this. I don't know if it's the way that we're making it or if we actually have, changed something the way that we're making it. We have kind of changed it up a little bit. But we're really loving the taste of this for just like having sweet tea on hand in the fridge. We make our sweet tea really lightly sweetened, so we don't feel too bad about having a glass of that with our dinner. But again, Southern, we love our sweet tea and we make it a lot healthier than like traditional Southern sweet tea. So we also needed some more dishwasher packs. And then Aaron decided to try these Go-Gurts for the girls because they've really been enjoying the little like drink yogurts. So he thought they might like to try these out. And he did go to the grocery for me today. That's why I keep saying Aaron did this and Aaron did that. If you guys don't know, he's been doing that the last few months. And so that's been really helpful. So this is everything we got other than the couple of things that we went ahead and put away because ice cream was starting to melt. But yeah, everything we got for $187 with tax. And we will be feeding our family of 4. Plus we'll have some of these little snacks that'll last for, probably at least a month or more. So I don't do very many grocery hauls, but let me know if you guys would like to start seeing these more often, and I will do more for y'all if you do. So thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Bye.